Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video, there's a reason why I've got my hair up. We're basically going to do a skincare review testing tutorial video. Love doing these every so often. Find they're like a good little like bargain or dupe or a product that I've genuinely wanted. That is what's going to be in today's video. But any more advice or any more info, let's get on into the video. But before we do, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, the product, the advice, or anything in the video, do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you like, it tells me what you want to see. I know you do like the skincare one, so that's great, so definitely give it a thumbs up to tell me if you want to see more, and the video will go around and other people will like it. So come and subscribe to tazwells12 and join my YouTube journey and the love family by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and then you will be subscribed to tazwells12. Then also on my main page is a bell notification button. Click that and you will be notified when my newest upload has been uploaded, and you can see it there and then. Comment down below if you like the video or you want to give me feedback for another skincare video or any other video. Let me know down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention or going to mention. This is just out of my own money, an advice video for you guys, and testing a product that I kind of liked and was my cup of tea, but it's not sponsored in any way. Check out my other two social medias, which is on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the skincare review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this little bargain that I got from the PS range in Primark. So as you can see, I got it for only £1, and it was originally £3.50 and then went to £2, and I got it for £1. Really good little bargain is this PS Aftersun face mask with, I've got to get out because it's covered over with a tag, with hyaluronic acid in it, which again is really good. For one, hyaluronic acid is really good to go under makeup, and two, it's just really good for plumping your skin. It's 48 hours moisturization, smooths and hydrates sun exposed skin, dermatologically tested, or approved, fragrance free. There's 50 ml in here, and it's for sensitive skin. Does it say any more on the box? It has with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe vera and shea butter. Shake well before use, apply generously after sun exposure, keep out of eyes, clean it if it gets into eyes. But the one thing that did confuse me on the box, that it does say it's a face mask. So when I got this, I was really excited because we're going on holiday soon, and I really want to take this because this is the little tub that it comes in, and basically this tub is like plastic to be able like a really good like holiday little item, because it's one, it's plastic so it's lighter, and two, it's not glass. Like the glass ones are nice, don't get me wrong, but they're really like heavy when you take them away. So the fact that this is plastic is really good. The fact it's got like 50 ml in there is fantastic. That would do the whole holiday. I got it for a bargain price of £1, and also I thought, you know what, I will take this like for my moisturizer at night. Like say you go out for the evening and then you kind of take all your makeup off, and then you kind of put this on through the night. Perfect. The one thing that did confuse me was it saying it was a face mask. I had to open it, which it does look like that. So it's just like a clear substance. It hasn't really got any smell to it. I suppose you could smell a little bit of the aloe vera more than anything, but very nice. But it is not a skin mask, it's not a face mask, it is like a moisturizer cream. So perfect. So that's why I want to review testing tutorial on this video today. I want to take this on holiday and I don't want the packaging, but I just want this tub. I'm going to try it on my face just to see how it feels. I put it a little bit on my hand like to test it before to make sure it isn't a face mask, but I just want to see if it's like giving me the hydration, it's going to give me what I want, it's not too sticky, it's not too oily. Yeah, a bit of everything really I want to try, because this for £1 I'm so glad I picked up, because I genuinely picked it up because I pick some products up anyway when they're on the offer, because they're totally expensive when you want to go on holiday. Like in like from like June, July, August time, super expensive. You can get anything like that's on like cheaper side, or that's going to help you like save a little bit of coin or a bit of money, then definitely do it, because it's definitely worth it. One of these, and when I picked one of these up, my mum did, because it's a super good bargain when we found it. So if you're looking in for Primark at the time, you get the timings right, you do find these little products. So let's get it on the face and we'll go from there. So all I'm going to do is, like, I've got my hair clipped up anyway, so I'm just going to do what I normally do with like my moisturisers, just get it out with my nail, like a good dollop, and just put a couple like all over the face. I don't know how much you need, I don't know how strong this is. It feels like a little bit of a jelly sort of vibe as well, but I suppose that's like the cooling sensation on it. I still think this is going to be a really nice product. So we'll just put a little bit more on my forehead. So just a good few dollops all over the face. Tiny little amount goes a long way. And now we are just going to rub it in. Oh, it feels like cooling, so that'd be lovely if you have actually like burnt your face on holiday, because it's got the aftersun in it. It's got that cooling effect, which is lovely. And because it's got the hyaluronic acid in it, you also could put it under makeup, because I feel it's going to go a little bit tacky, but we'll find that out in a minute once we have completely rubbed it in. So I give it a good rub, get it all in the eyebrows, like give it a good like get it all in the nice like areas you want to get. My face is going to go a little bit red, it will calm down, but it's just because I'm rubbing it. That is literally into my skin like this, and now we're just going to let that like settle for a few minutes. And yeah, it's feeling like lovely and lightweight, which you want for a moisturizer. You don't want it too much, and it's already getting tacky. Wow, it is already getting tacky. So that could actually go under makeup. It would be really, really good. That'd be a good like little primer if you run out of primer on holiday, you haven't took enough. This is always good, it's always back up. But I quite like this. I'm liking it already, because one, it's not feels cakey or like heavy on your face. Two, it is a little bit sticky. My hands are a little bit sticky, but I can deal with that. Just wash your hands. Fact is that my face is sticky and my hands are sticky. It means it's a good sign actually, because it means that it can have makeup over it, because it's, which I find a bit weird with it being an aftersun. Normally if we take like aloe vera, we'll put that on my face, but I think if I have burnt my face, that will be the first thing that will go on my face, is aloe vera like aftersun like gel, like the green gel. But for the night time, just to get that little bit of moisture in, because I feel like, I don't know if it's just me getting older, but I feel like when I go on holiday, my face does feel a little bit dry, and I am looking to maybe take like a tea tree sort of face wash, because I know where I'm going to be using sun cream in the day on my face, it's going to make it super oily. I'm going to wash it with the tea tree wash, and then that will dry it out, and then like do your makeup and whatever, put your primers on, so that'll give that bit of moisture again. But then in the evening when you take your makeup off, it'll be feel really dry again. This will be a great little product. It's sunken into my skin so nicely. I'm so glad that I picked this up for £1, because when I saw it I was like, That'd be a good moisturiser. I'm going to take my hair down now and then we can give it a good old rating. Hair is down and it's getting angry because I've done so many videos today. It's getting angry, you can just tell. But anyway, let's talk about the cream. So my rating of the PS Aftersun face mask with hyaluronic acid in is, what do you think? What do you think I'm going to say? I think you already know what I'm going to say. It's a massive thumbs up. Like, this will be coming on holiday with me. I did think when I saw it, when I tried it on the back of my hand, I did really like it, but I just genuinely wanted to try it on my face because that's where obviously I'm going to use it. And I could have done this video and I could have come out with like horrible rash or something like that, or it could have been like really heavy or too much for me. But I genuinely like this. I think it's really good. It comes in two ways that you can use. Obviously use it under makeup and you can use it as a moisturiser. So great, 2-in-1 to be honest. It's got the aftersun in it too, so obviously if you have skin exposure it can tone that down and make it a bit more easier to like bear with, if that makes sense. So yes, my rating of this is a massive thumbs up. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video for the PS Aftersun face mask with hyaluronic acid in, which is basically a moisturiser that I got for £1 from Primark. It is a massive thumbs up. I love this product. It's a good rating, great little bargain for £1. I'm happy I've picked it up. So unfortunately, this has come to the end of the video. If you like the product, the advice, the video as a whole, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you want to see, it tells me what you like, and then I can bring more to you and other people can see it and other people can like it. So definitely give that thumbs up, that would be most appreciated. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page. Once you're subscribed, hit the bell notification too, because then you will be notified when I've uploaded a new video. Comment down below on the video anything that you like or feedback. I will 100% comment back to you and write a comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. This is just out of my own money. What I liked, what I thought I'd pick up. Yeah, I paid for it all out of my own money. So it's no sponsor at all. Check out my other two social medias, which is on Instagram. So tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've got something out of it, and maybe you will look in Primark for your little bargains, because I have, like, in different hauls I have managed to get a few bargains, so look out for the reduced or bargain. Thank you for supporting and watching the video. Take care, have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.